using Tongatong alone as
Hello
instruments, while picture
everyone!
2
Ayan.
used Tongatong with drums
Guys,
that are
masyado
used
kaming
in
misi-misi
band
dito
or
sa aming
combo.
harapan kasi walang pasok ngayon sa school. So, habang ako ay
Next,
gumagawa ng
kulintang is
aking
being
mga
used in the two
orders ng
pictures.
customers,
The difference are the
um,
accompanying instruments.
at the same
Picture
time,
1
andito sa
shows
tabi ko yung
kulintang
anak
with
ko.
instruments
So,
that are
yun, ito order
usually
to ng customers,
seen in
yung stuffy
street
chili.
dancing, while
Tapos,
picture 2 uses
stuffy
traditional
chicken
kulintang
chili.
ensemble.
Yan. So, order yan ng customers. So, kailangan ko siyang i-pack. Habang ako ay nagpapak nito, nandito siya sa tabi ko at nag-aaral kasi walang pasok sa school. So, kailangan niyang matuto, kailangan niyang mag-aral din. So, ayun. Kasi mamaya, doon na naman kami pupunta sa isa kong trabaho. So, you need to finish this one because after we've done here, we need to go to other side because mama need to go to work, need to do the work. Okay? Okay or not?
Conventional arts.
Okay, you answer. Oh, what is the innovation? Say
Second,
na. Okay.
form that follows established
Listen ha. Again.
both
Finally, my son could stay in school every day from 7 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon. He is really good there in school, and you know what? He is so happy.
arrange the jumbled letters to get the correct word. The given meaning of the words
Jumbo
are your clue.
letters. Pwede siya. Traditional form that follows established techniques, styles, and themes. So, what is that? So,
Conventional arts.
Yan. Ay! What's going on? Sorry.
Since primary 1 up to primary 4, he is a home study. I can't put him in school because he is too hyper. But this year is really nice because he was there at school and just sitting quietly, listened to the teacher and answered and write something as well. If the teacher asked him to write something, he could copy also from the blackboard and from the monitor. Wow, I am so happy because my son is too happy to mingle some other children.
Arrange the jumbled letter in a word. So, how do you read this one? The jumbled letter one.
Technology.
Yeah. Technology. It's not technology. Technology.
Technology.
Yeah. What is about technology? Can you read? Is
Tools, machine, techniques, and process used by people to solve problems.
to solve the problems.
Accomplish.
To solve the problem, accomplish.
Task to
Accomplish the task.
or create.
Processes used by people to solve problem, accomplish tasks, or create products.
I'm going to finish reading my spring roll. This is my spring roll. Yan. Tatapos na rin kami. Basta ako tuturuan lang ng maayos. Huwag naman yung magturo yung ganun.
So, pagkatapos ko nagbalot ng mga embutido at spring rolls, dini naman ako sa tahian. Kaya yung anak ko nag-aaral
Okay
din.
guys, see you. Please keep watching our videos.
Our video.